How do star wives feel being married to a Bollywood star? Gauri Khan. Gauri Khan has been an integral part of Shah Rukh Khan's success story, and they are one of the ideal couples in Bollywood. Gauri always says that Shah Rukh is a great father and a very good husband. He always supported and helped Gauri in her dreams. Gauri said that there are only positive things she has to say about her star husband, and she does not care about rumors. Meera Rajput. Overnight, Meera Rajput became famous after marrying Bollywood actor Shahid Kapoor. She often gets trolled as she is famous just because she is Shahid's wife, but she said that she does not care about trolls. Meera said that she believes that if anything has to come to anyone, it will come anyways, no matter who or what they are. Kiran Rao. Kiran Rao has always admitted that she feels blessed to have Aamir as her husband, and she also said that it took her time to adjust with all these limelights. When she was directing her husband Aamir for the first time, she was nervous and felt pressurized because she had to order Aamir. Manyata Dutt. Sanjay Dutt's life has been very controversial and he had gone through many ups and downs in his life, and Manyata stayed beside him through every thick and thin. Manyata revealed that many people tried to use Sanju for their better, but Manyata chose to be a barricade to them for which they hate her. Priyanka Alva. Vivek Oberoi had an arranged marriage with Priyanka Alva, who was not used to with all the glitters of Tinseltown. Priyanka said that she loved Vivek Oberoi and was a fan of him. She also revealed that it took time for her to match up with all the attentions. The star wife said that Vivek is a great husband and a loving father and spends quality time with his family. Priya Ranchal. John broke hearts of his fans when he married Priya Ranchal, and she has always been a support to her husband John. Priya has always kept herself away from the limelight, and just like her actor husband, she also stays away from spotlight. Sunita Ahuja. Sunita Ahuja is married to famous Bollywood actor Govinda, and their marriage life faced many ups and downs because of Govinda's affair with Rani Mukherjee. But Sunita stayed beside her husband on every situation, and they overcome every difficulty together, and Sunita always praises her husband. Rukmini Sahai. Neil Nitin Mukesh and Rukmini Sahai had an arranged marriage, and both Neil Nitin Mukesh and Rukmini prefers to stay out of limelight. She has always been a fan of Neil Nitin Mukesh, and Rukmini said that she feels blessed to have a Neil as her husband. Sarita Birje. Sarita is the wife of famous Bollywood actor R. Madhavan. Both of them stays out of limelight as much as possible. Sarita loves to watch movies of her husband, and she says that she is the biggest fan of the actor. Seema Sachdev. Seema Sachdev is the wife of Sohail Khan, and she is the Bahu of Khan family. Sohail and Seema got married suddenly. Seema was not accustomed with all the attention, and it took a while for her to get used to with all the limelight. Parveen Saini. Imran Hashmi married Parveen Saini, and both of them lead a very simple life and stays out of limelight and controversies. Parveen said she feels lucky to have Imran as her husband because he is a great husband and a great father too. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.